Mr. President. Aviation is key for economic growth. Ryanair and EasyJet have done more for regional development than countless billions of our regional development aid, and that's the private sector. Aviation is also a global business, so we have to be open, competitive, and we need innovation. We should support new business models and new solutions in air traffic management, integrated ticketing, and alternative fuels. We should also speed up implementation of the Single European Sky and SESAR programmes and conclude comprehensive aviation agreements with our partners. In a time of limited capacity, we should also be promoting the importance of our regional airports, for example Birmingham, which is in my constituency. Aviation is not free of tax, no matter what our Green colleagues think. Many member states levy airport tax. This is £71 or €100 for a long-haul flight per passenger from the UK. It's €42 from Germany. Now, I think these taxes should be scrapped by these member states. This is a break of our competitiveness. We need to realise we need to be flexible, open and innovative. We are in a global marketplace. Thank you.